Okay, I'm going to show you this particular setup here. There's the 5-volt connection for the red wire, and then there's the ground connection. There's actually two there, but I left space between there and there just to make it easier to see the connections. So there's a black wire hooked onto the ground, and then there's the red wire hooked onto the 5-volt on the Arduino. Then over here on connection number 13, the yellow wire is hooked on there, and that's your typical connection for the Blink program. So we're trying to go with what you got, right? So the power wire goes all the way over to this this unit here. This is a relay, OMRON, and the red wire is hooked onto the there's a label, or there's a little text underneath the wire. You'll see it says 5-volt DC, and then beside that you'll see a ground. So the red goes on to the 5-volt DC, and the ground goes on to the the ground goes on the ground. And then this right here where it says 1 relates to this particular unit right here, and this one is number 2. So you'd have to have a pin hooked onto either number 2 or number 1. Number 2 controls that one, number 1 controls this one. So anyways, the Blink program is for number 13, which is blinking on. I have it set for every 5 seconds. So 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off. And if you go over here, you will see the common wire, COM. I would just put down, I'd say that's the common wire because it's white. White wire goes up, hooks into this fan, which is 110, and then it completes a circuit that brings it down to, it completes the circuit. So the fan is hooked on through the white wire, which is, I'm saying it's the common wire, goes in and then comes out through here and then goes back through the house wire. And then this right here is the black wire, which typically would be the power wire, I'm guessing, right? So your common wire and then your power wire. And AC is, funny in that way. But I'm going to turn the power on for this, and now you will see the fan turning off and then turning on. It's supposed to be 5 seconds. 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off. So there's the unit in action, and I gave pretty simple instructions on how to hook this up. Just remember, you don't put the positive and the negative into this side where it says COM on this side here. You don't put the positive and the negative on there from your AC outlet or your common and your power. You don't put that in there. What you do is you complete the circuit. So those two connections, these two connections, that one, here I'll make it easier to see, this one and that one, they complete a circuit for one wire. So the common wire, you would complete the circuit. So that's about as basic as it can get, and it's for this particular model, the OMRON.